G'day everyone, Ali here. Well, today I'm coming to you with another Valentine's Day project, and this one is so easy. It's actually a bookmark. Okay, now it actually fits over the corner of the page where you're up to. Okay, now this is one that I decorated also, and I'm just going to show you how easy these are to make. Okay, so for Valentine's Day. Now, basically all you need is some paper or some cardstock. So I've got some patterned cardstock here. So I've just got some 10 centimeter cardstock here. You can use whatever size you actually want. These ones here were 14 centimeters. Okay, and that's how big they actually are. So it's a 14 by 14. So this is going to be a 10 by 10. Okay, now you only need minimal tools as well. If you've got a diagonal scoreboard, great. I do have one, but I'm not going to use it today. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to fold on the diagonal. So in other words, corner to corner. So just do that. And if it's a bit thicker cardstock as well, it will be, a little bit harder to fold. Okay, so get your bone folder out as well. So just crease that down and open it up. Now what you're going to do is this corner to this corner. So essentially what you're going to be doing is like a cross. So just like that. Okay, now what you'll do is you'll actually cut one of these triangles out. So you can use some scissors. I'm just going to use scissors today. You can actually use your cutting board as well. So whatever you've got. Okay, so we're just going to cut this up to the middle, not any further. Okay, turn that round. We're just going to cut up to the middle again. Okay, just like that. Okay, so there you go, just like that. Now you can discard that, so just pop that into your scrap bin, okay, because you won't need that piece today. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to fold each end in. So one in, then the other in. Now if it doesn't lay flat, you will need to just trim one of these sides off just a smidgen, so just a hair. Okay. So this one fits really well. Okay, so I am going to now apply glue on this side here. Okay, now what you're going to do is try and get the glue right up as close to the edge as possible. Okay, and then just in the middle. What I normally do is I'll just get my finger and just run it along that edge just there. Just make sure that it's okay. Right. Then the glue side down and the dry side just over the top. Okay. And just make sure that is all stuck down. Okay. Now if it doesn't line up as such, so you've got a little bit of overhang, you can get your scissors and just clean it up. Okay, but honestly, you're not going to see it when the book's on. So in effect, what you're going to do is have a triangle with a slit in one side. So now we've got that, you can decorate this however you want. So with these, I got some dies, some hearts, cut them out. I even put a stamp on the back here. I put washi tape on each side here. And so it all depends on how big you want your bookmark. Okay, so as long as it fits over the page of where you're up to, because that's all you want to mark, is just like that. So we'll just quickly decorate this one. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this Valentine's DIY project. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell for up and coming videos. And until the next Valentine's Day project, happy crafting! See ya!